friends. I want to show you really quick what you can do with the shaping tool. Um, Everything we see that is created by an artist in some sort in Illustrator, uh, lots of those of this stuff is made by the shaping tool. This means that you create something out of shapes and then use the shaping tool to bring it in front of your eye. So the key in this thing is that during your creation you have this vision in your inner eye and you see, for example, you want to make a shield, the shield in this process. Um, for example, we're gonna use the ellipse tool and we're gonna create an ellipse. All right, let me change the color to none. We got now this shape here. We can copy that and put it with Control and F on top. Then we're gonna holding down Shift and then just bring it clockwise to 90 degrees. Copy that, paste it on top, get the shape to, sorry, to 45 degrees. Copy that on top, press Shift and turn that again to the other side. So we got now this strange looking shape here, this form here. But in this form, there is the shield that we want to have. Some maybe see it, some maybe don't. But if you concentrate, you will see it. Now, if I take this shaping tool, I can first off we have to mark all those shapes. Take the tool, and then by holding down left Alt, we can erase those shapes that we don't wanna keep. So if I do this, I do it really slowly, so you can see how the shield is forming in front of your eyes. There's the shield, and it is made up 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, which now, without pressing the left Alt, just press the left mouse button, keep pressed, hold it, and then you can just do this, and you got the shape. And now you can change the colors, what you like, and there you have your shape, your shield. This was a very quick and easy way to make the shield, and you can do different stuff too. You can take, for example, again this ellipse, and then let me say you're gonna make this shape of from Europe. I make a circle, bring it down there. I can move it everywhere I want. Let me say I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, let's put it here. And then I'm gonna say mark these, erase those with the shaping tool, and you got a place here to put a soccer ball, for example, if you do something for a soccer team. This is the power of it. You can do a lot. So try it out for yourself. Create stuff that you want to do, crazy stuff, what you like, and as I said, was a very easy shape. You can do a lot more with this shaping tool. I hope I could give you all a little impression on how to use the shaping tool. And I thank you and see you next time. And leave a like if you like. Oh, yeah, leave a like if you like. Take care, guys. Bye bye.